Welcome to the YesPlz Fashion Search powered by AI. Let me give you a quick tour. Meet the Style Filter, an interactive and accurate fashion search. You don't have to worry about confusing fashion jargon. Simply click the neckline, waist, or sleeve length, and you just customized your search. Now let's pick the pattern. Or no pattern. Well, I like the patterns. Finishing up with my favorite color, blue. Ooh, I think I just found the right top for my next Zoom meeting. Now let's get some more inspiration. YesPlz AI understands key style elements and automatically curates the whole outfit. It also finds similar products that match the key search attributes. We recently partnered with Lately, one of the largest wholesale platforms. As you can see, the product photos have busy backgrounds, and there's a wide spectrum of styles. However, YesPlz AI is able to navigate and successfully transform the search and recommendation experience. Curious to see how it works on your website? Send us an email and let's have a chat.